What's up, everybody, and welcome to 555 Barbershop, your home for comprehensive tutorials on barbering. In this video, my homegirl is just getting one of those disconnected fades. It's a skin type fade. She's actually a hair model of mine. I use her for a lot of my photo shoots, but today she was just coming in just for a regular haircut. So I just did that. I just gave her a cut. I didn't give her any enhancements or anything like that. But anyway, you guys already know I saved the best part for last, the finished product, the last final shot. So please make sure that you watch this video all the way through, up until the end. Now before we start, make sure you hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner of your screen so you don't miss any new tutorials. Alright guys, let's begin.
The first step is to create the guideline. For this exercise, I'm using the 32 ACP by Caliber. For the next step, I remove the hair from underneath the guideline. For this exercise, I'm using the 22 Stinger by Caliber. The next step is to create baldness with an electric foil shaver. The foil shaver I'm using is the RPG by Caliber. The next step is to get rid of the bald line. To do this, I fully extend the blade on my clipper, and each time I pass through the section, I close the blade just a bit, and I continue to do this until the line is erased. Watch closely. Also, for this exercise, I'm using the 50 cal mag by Caliber. Attach a 2-guard and fully extend the blade. Go straight up, but avoid cutting the hair that's been separated. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat the same step. For the remainder of this blend, I'm using the 44 FMJ by Caliber. Attach a 1.5 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat the same step. Attach a 1 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat the same step. Avoid cutting the hair at the top of the blend. Attach a 1/2 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat the same step until the demarcation is blended. The next step is to create the lineup. For this exercise, I'm using the 38 Super by Caliber. Next, use a straight razor to bring it all out. If your skin tight drop fade looks like this or better, you have done well. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and always remember, always be learning, always be practicing, and always be humble. The clippers and trimmers I've used in this video have all been provided by Caliber. To find them, visit caliberprocorp.com and use discount code 555.